Fans, sewing fans, I'm unboxing my brand new Janome 14,000 now. I'm really excited. No makeup, and I'm really out of breath because I just carried it upstairs into my sewing room. Up all these stairs, and there's more around the corner. Anyway, there are two boxes there, this one and that one, and they were actually taped on top of each other, so I had to take the top one off so I could carry it up the stairs, and then I took this one. It was really heavy. I think this one has the actual sewing machine. Which one should I open first, the little one or the big one? I think I'll open the little one first. That one has the machine. Let's see what's in here. I've got some scissors here. Heavy duty, not my fabric scissors, of course. Okay, trying to get this open. Maybe I should have opened it before I turned the live video on, but where's the surprise in that? Linda just asked if she has a name. Not yet. We'll have to see what she looks like. That's what I did with my last daughter anyway. I had to see what she looked like before I could name her. Ooh, okay. So we've got a cover. And I've got another cover. And this is the first box, people, if you're just joining us. Here's the manual. And I'm sure these are boxes of accessories. Ooh, there's the embroidery unit. Lovely. So there's a little box right here. Accessories probably. And there's the embroidery unit that goes on the back. And the cover for it. Okay. Let's go to the main box. Where did I put my scissors? There they are. Okay, the big one. Here. Yes, I should have taken a razor blade to it before. I'm going to set the phone. Let's see here. Right here. Well, maybe not. I'll just go for it. And woohoo! Oh, my heart is pounding, but probably because I just carried it up 15 stairs. All right. Could this long skinny box be? Ooh, the hoops, embroidery hoops. This I know is the free arm hoop. This one. Wow. Sweet. Can't wait to do embroidery. Okay. All right, ladies, who wants to come over and help me set this up? Beautiful. Well, I guess it managed to fare okay in shipping. My beautiful Janome 14,000. All right, well, I'm going to, oh, look, a lucite tray. Beautiful. Okay, well, you know I have to say goodbye so I can take this out and put it on my desk and start sewing. So, thanks for watching, and I will go ahead and update the links under this video with where I bought my machine from sewingmachinesplus.com. They gave me a great deal, and actually right now they have 10% off everything, so I'll put the links with the video, and then I'm gonna get sewing. Thanks for watching. See you later. Oh, and come back Saturday. I'm gonna do a show off Saturday post and take pictures and tell you what I learned about my machine so far. So thanks, bye.